Hello and welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for today, Wednesday, the final day of January 2018. Everything like always within your own risk and own reward. The DXY dollar index on the daily time frame is continuing its downward trend. And when we look at this on the monthly chart, it has recently within this particular month broken down below this key support level. It's an okay size move and it has matched up within this previous level of resistance. But given the size of this move, maybe not immediately, but I would expect further decline at least down to this level. If this is a bottom, it would most likely result in one of those failed move fast moves where the market comes up towards here and back over. I've shown this with Bitcoin before. I don't expect that to be the case. I wouldn't be surprised if it rallies up here, but I would expect a level of resistance in and around that point. Let's move on to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And on the Tuesday session, the price action gapped lower at the 18 average of highs, closing near the 18 average of lows. So these gap moves, they happen when the market is closed, meaning it actually moves when it's closed. I guess that would be similar to a pizza place or any type of regular store closing, locking the doors and then selling to other people, I guess. On the monthly chart, or rather the 3-month chart for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, market keeps grinding to the upside after this long sideways consolidation through most of the 2000s. This decade has been an uprun. People can talk bearish all they want about it, and it definitely is overextended, but if we're living in a hyperinflationary environment, it'll be interesting to see how the stock market reacts to such. With the Bitcoin and its daily time frame, with the upper trend line, which was hit a while ago, hasn't been anywhere near since. That's telling us that there really hasn't been any significantly great rallies since that point. We have this downtrend line coinciding with this level of support, so it's in a descending triangle. Usually these things resolve themselves within the current trend, which in here is bearish, but on the long-term time frame, it is extremely bullish and hyperinflationary, which will lead us to silver and the final one on the daily chart, another one on a tangible level for a hyperinflationary hedge against the fiat currency. It's doing well within this current little level here. Uptrend within such, and breaking by this resistance level, we should have a test over 18. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.